What if I told you that you can run a YouTube channel without ever making the videos yourself? In this video, I'll show you how Faceless YouTube automation works and how you can actually earn money without monetization or creating content manually. I'll break down the tools, the workflow, and how to turn it into real income. Step 1. What is Faceless YouTube automation? Automation means setting up a system where tools do most of the work for you. Instead of filming, editing, and talking on camera, you use AI plus stock resources to generate content. Example: AI writes the script, AI creates the voiceover, stock or AI visuals make the video. You stay behind the scenes while the channel grows. Step 2. The tools that do the work. Here's the exact stack I'd use: script writing, ChatGPT, or other AI writers. Voiceovers, 11 Labs, hyper-realistic AI voices. Video assembly, Pictory or other AI video editors with stock footage plus templates. Graphics/thumbnails, Canva or similar design tools. With this workflow, you can produce 3 to 5 videos a week without burning out. Step 3. Where the money comes from. Remember, we're not relying on monetization. The main income streams here are affiliate marketing, promote tools/services you showcase in videos, digital products, guides, templates, ebooks you can link, sponsorships, brands pay to be featured once you grow. Even with a small channel, one affiliate sale can equal thousands of ad views. Step 4. Scaling the system. Once the workflow is set, your job is consistency. Post regularly, watch your analytics, and double down on videos that bring in clicks. You can even outsource parts of the process later, like thumbnails or editing, while AI handles the rest. This is how you build a real automation channel that earns while you sleep. Step 5. The reality check. Automation doesn't mean zero work. It means you're working smarter by letting tools handle the heavy lifting, so you can focus on picking the right niche, the right titles, and the right affiliate offers. In closing, so if you want a faceless YouTube channel without making videos yourself, automation is the best way to do it. Set up the right tools, focus on income streams beyond ads, and scale consistently. If you want to try my favorite AI voice tool for free, check the first link in the description. I've put it there for you.